Hello everyone, I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful summer bouquet. The flowers that I'm going to use for this bouquet are roses, chrysanthemums and solidago. To begin with, I would have 3 roses in the middle here, and then I would add the greenery. Making sure I always spiral the stems, so mine are going in this direction. And then what I would do is I would add the filler flowers. So I have the chrysanthemums here. And I've got 3 chrysanthemums and 3 solidagos. So it should look a wee bit like this, and then what I would do is then add in the roses. And it's nice to have them at slightly different heights. To add more depth to the bouquet. And then if you feel that your center flowers have just sunk a little bit, you can just gently lift them up. And to keep this lovely bouquet in place, I would tie it. And how I would do that is just hold it here, same position as I had for making the hand tie. Then I take the string, hold it with my thumb, and wrap the string around, trying not to put it on the worktop to help the flowers not get damaged. Now to tie the knot, it probably will need to go down, so I would tie the knot. And once I've done that, I would then cut the stems to make sure they're all the same length. There you have a beautiful bouquet. The stems are all the same length, making sure that it will stand on its own and won't be lopsided. A beautiful summer bouquet. Thank you for watching my video. If you'd like to see more videos on flower arranging, please subscribe.